taping now.
Yeah, I came back.
Let's see if I can zoom in on these maps and see what they look like. Let's see.
Yeah, I came back Wednesday.
Yeah, that's
like
not
a
too
fool.
bad.
Okay.
Yes, it is.
It's
Wednesday evening.
January 6th, 1988, and western North Carolina is getting ready to be killed. Much of the southeast. Okay, are you taping? You're on.
I'm on.
Okay,
where are we now?
Which look at the upper level maps?
All right, go for it.
Okay, come on over here then. Okay, first, big Arctic high is over the east. There's no way this thing is going
There's also a big hand
anywhere.
on the map.
Yeah, there's a big hand here. But this thing's dominating our weather. The flow, look at, well, we don't have a map here, but the flow is coming straight from the Arctic. This is very cold air. They said it's coldest in 2 years, but I think they're just getting too excited. Storm system in Texas. A lot of precipitation with it. Most of it's due to overrunning. A lot of warm air coming up. It's the very cold Arctic air. There's overrunning. The upper level maps. You got
and it's about where? About halfway across Tennessee.
Oh yeah, it's halfway across Tennessee. Most of it's snow.
Let's see, I'm looking for the radar.
Alabama,
I can't find it. There we go.
Mississippi.
Where the hell's the radar?
Where the hell's the radar? Wow.
I can't see it. I don't know why. Help. Wait a minute. Where am I?
Are you looking at me now?
Yes.
Okay, go up that way. Did you go too far?
There it is. Oh, okay. That's all 235.
You're looking with your other eye. Okay.
No.
Anyway.
This viewfinder's crooked, too.
Look at 500 millibar. Let's look at that.
Okay.
Here's the shortwave here. It came off the Pacific.
Wait a minute. I got to find your arm first. Where are you? There's your arm.
Ready?
Oh,
okay. Shortwave came off the Pacific a few days ago. A large high, a closed-off high in the west. This is dumping cold air in the east. You got the cold air from the Arctic jet. This is actually the polar jet, according to Doc, or part of it is. This is the Arctic jet stream, he says. This is kind of polar and subtropical together.
Yeah.
Interesting thing. Can you get to the satellite picture?
I don't know whether I can pick it up or not. Let's see. Okay, I've got Texas.
Okay, do you have this?
Point to Texas. Okay, go.
Okay,
go
look
from
at
there.
this now. This is interesting. Doc says this is a subtropical jet. It's way down here. The flow is so far south.
Where? Point again. Oh, way down there.
Yeah. He says
south of Florida.
The flow is so far south. This is subtropical. The polar jet is all the way down here. The polar jet's actually pulling in moisture. And the Arctic jet is dipping, bringing the cold air in. So you have three jets.
So that would be like the Arctic front then.
Yeah. You have three jets. The Arctic jet, the polar jet, and the subtropical jet. And that's satellite imagery. Ta-da!
Thank you very much.
Okay, the upper level maps.
Oh, did I get to find you again? This thing's all...
Is the microphone on?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Doesn't matter. I can always dub over it later.
Zero line, by the way, is so far south it's a joke at 850 millibars. The zero line is down in central Alabama, Mississippi. There's no way that thing's going to get...
Let's see if I can get this. Oh, yeah, I can see those creeping.
Okay. There's no way this zero line's going to creep northward, at least through tomorrow evening. But let's look at the forecast maps. Okay, the shortwave, you got the NGM on there?
Okay, you just had to come back out again so I could find it. Okay.
Okay, here's the shortwave here. There's really no, the NGM don't show an upper surface system, but there is a weak low. The big thing's overrunning. Tremendous amounts of moisture coming out of the Gulf, overrunning this cold air. A big snowstorm.
Okay.
However,
are we going on to 24?
Why not?
Okay.
Right here, the 540 line on 24 is just to our south.
Why don't I get here? This would be a little better.
Here we go.
Find you again. There you are.
Okay, so it's just to our south, so that's easily snow for us. This is tomorrow evening. Down east, though, ahead of the storm or the low pressure system, there would be just enough warm advection to melt the snow in the higher levels. And with temperatures in the 20s at the surface, they're going to have probably the worst ice storm in many years east of the mountains. Here, it should stay cold enough for snow. Jim personally says a foot or more.
Yep.
Doc made his official forecast tonight at dinner. He said 8 inches.
8 inches?
Roy did too. I say 6 to 12. Go in between.
I say 2 feet.
it says 2 feet, a revision.
I say 2 feet because that's what I want.
By the way, people, we are doing the weather line.
No, I won't say 2 feet on the weather line.
Okay.
I'll just say 2 feet to myself.
Over 6 inches on the weather line. 36 hour. The short waves through us. The NGM is a mess, but basically what we see, the 540 lines on top of us. This is Friday morning. Basically, the short waves coming through. We should be on the back side of it by Friday afternoon, according to the NGM. So we'll have lingering flurries by Friday afternoon probably, and it'll be probably a wet snow Friday. I mean, because it's getting a little warm up above at this point, but still we're in precipitation on Friday. So the interesting thing, the LFM, right over here. Oh shit! The LFM splits this thing. First,
hold on there.
Okay. Maybe up a little. Got it?
Got it.
Okay. This thing comes through Thursday night. We should see some very heavy snow here, to tell you the truth. Thursday night, late tomorrow and tomorrow night.
Yep.
East of here, it's going to be a nightmare of an ice storm, we think. The thing is, by Friday morning, they split the thing off. The main shortwave goes off the Virginia coast. People in Virginia will no longer see anything else. They're going to die under several feet of snow as this thing develops very rapidly off the coast. But notice there is a little shortwave hanging back over the western part of Tennessee. LFM says we're going to get some more snow here late Friday and Saturday morning with this thing. The thing I'm worried about is heights. May not support it, but the LFM seems to think it will.
Yeah.
So we can see some more snow Friday night. So basically, me and Jim probably won't take snow out of the forecast any on Friday. And of course, we'll worry about Saturday when it comes time. But generally, let's see. That's about all I can look at over here. Oh, we can look at the 72-hour. But the interesting thing about this, you have the big trough in the east, you have the ridge out west still. So the pattern holds, and this thing's probably going to hold through all of next week.
Yeah, I don't see it warming as much as they say it's going to warm.
The thing about it is, yeah, I know, it won't warm much, I don't think. But notice there's no real subtropical jet. Boo. Boo, yes. Nothing coming out of the South Pacific. All we're getting is things off the Washington coast. If we can get something coming off Washington and dive down into Texas, maybe we can get something. But it should be dry through Monday or Tuesday, so we'll probably have school on Tuesday. They're thinking about canceling classes Monday because of registration maybe moved Monday. Because it probably will get snowed out on Friday. QPF. Let's look at this, Jim, so they don't make it crazy. Let me get a nice one here. Here we go. Are you on this?
Yes, I am, but I need to
focus
be
into
closer.
the top one.
There we go.
Okay. Notice the snow line's just to our south. Actually, we estimate it's just south of the Arden area. Just kidding. No, it's probably on the North Carolina-South Carolina border. We're an inch of melted precipitation. So if you look at this and use common sense, they're saying we're getting over 10 inches of snow.
Easily.
But you don't go and tell the public in Asheville that, because the grocery stores will be raided, as they were today, right, Jim? There were millions at the grocery stores today. Are you going to take it up to... Or you can't take it up to take ops, can you?
Not at night, no.
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
I think that's it. I don't know. I hope that worked. Can't think of anything else.
Outside right now.